We are on a Skyliner here at Pop Century Resort. Oh, feels so cool. Breeze. We're moving along pretty quick.
Art and Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
Epcot International. All right.
We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
The most magical flight on Earth, they said, is here on a Skyliner at Disney. And here's Mandy. She's got her Baby Yoda mask. Isaac has got his Spider-Man. Christy has her Minnie Mouse mask along with her mini shirt today. And I have, Isaac said this is called the Green Machine, and my phone is making noise in the background. And this is my Mickey ice cream shirt. The monster's been eating ice cream. It's got all over his face.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. This is our final destination. All passengers must disembark at this station. Transfers and return service are available. Thank you for flying with us.
Thank you. That's another announcement by Disney. This is a beautiful view of the swampland out here that Disney sits on. I'm sure most of you probably know that this whole area is nothing but swampland. I mean, it's been swamped when Disney got it, and he's just moved the water around to different places and built. And I think I remember hearing that 1/3 of it is set aside for conservation, and the rest of it he can build on. And we're slowing down. No, we're not quite stopped. No, we're moving. There's this car's moving by. See, slowly moving. Just going very slow. Over the swamp, the grassland.
Imagine what it would be
Look.
like if you stopped on here.
Oh, listen.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your steps. Thank you for flying with us.
Is this the right one we got on?
Permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Hasta que se realiza. Por favor.
Oh, coming in here.
Y salga con cuidado. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
We're gonna find out here where we get off, or do we get off here, or? Okay. All right. Now, where does this go to? We're trying. Okay. All right. This is the thing. Thank you. Yeah, that's what it is. We have an option to change up here somewhere. Make sure I didn't lose anything out of my pockets. This is like the transfer station here. Have to forgive me, I'm slow sometimes. And this is the, yes, here we go. See, it tells you up here where we're going. Going to Hollywood Studios. This way. Hollywood Studios over here. Here we go. Hollywood Studios. This is Epcot. This way. That's where we're going. Is to Epcot. Hey, how you doing?
Good, good. Hi, Mom. I'm on TV.
Hey. All right. Thank you. All right, here we go. All right, we're on the Skyliner going to Epcot now. They transferred us over to a green one. Which one was this? Huh? Pete?
Yeah.
From which movie?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Oh, it's Stinky Pete. We got Stinky Pete.
No, not Stinky Pete.
Well, sometimes he is stinky. Dad calls him Stinky Pete.
Because he lives in a duck.
Yeah. And he does some pretty stinky. He does some pretty stinky, rotten stuff. Woo! Here we go. Up we go.
Oh, we're gonna hit a ball. Oh, we didn't hit the ball.
No, we're not gonna hit a ball. Woo!
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Wow.
We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
Here we go.
Hold on to your straw hats.
Oh.
We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
Wow, here we go. You can't really see good out of that because I have to give you a shot out of this window here. Here we go. Here we go.
We are now sailing over
We're over
Disney's
the top of
Caribbean
it.
Beach Resort, home to a
Caribbean
collection of
Beach
tropical
Resort.
villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle
There
of
it
the
is.
Caribbean islands.
That's the shot down below. Parking lot. Oh, there we go.
I don't think we get out. We just stay here.
No, we just stay on it for a while.
Sway in the woods.
In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney Vacation Club resort that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
Wow. What a view. What a view, I tell you. This thing is so smooth.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort.
Now, if
If
you're
this is your final
squeamish
destination,
on heights, it
please
might not be
prepare
for
to
you.
disembark. If you are traveling to
You're up here in
Epcot
the air.
today, please remain seated.
There's a helicopter above somewhere.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings,
Please remain
and watch
seated.
your steps. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran
Well, I got that
automáticamente.
braking
Al
system
salir de la
down, I tell
cabina,
you.
por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y salga con cuidado. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
We're on to Epcot we go. See you later. All right. There it is. We're going on to Epcot. Well, we'll be back here in a minute. All right, we're back. We're on the Skyliner.
And we'll actually fly now.
We're actually flying going to Epcot, and here's the view down below, out of the view from the door here.
I think they said
Down on the
this is
freeway.
Buena Vista Drive, they said.
We're over Buena Vista Drive. Driving on Buena Vista Drive. Cruising right along. Film again.
Pass your passports. We are on our way to Epcot International Gateway.
Ready,
When we
set,
arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app or visit a FastPass Plus kiosk to review your worldly itinerary for the day.
Just chilling. What do you think, Christy?
join the breeze, interesting view.
What do you think, Mandy?
Feels good up here. I think it's way better than traveling in the car.
Yeah, it's a definitely, you're not afraid of heights, and Dad, you know, I'm not real fond of heights myself, but, you know, it's funny, I don't mind flying, But I don't think I want a parachute. You know, that's other people that do. That's fine.
I mean, I would take parachute if I had to.
Yeah, Isaac said he would do it if he had to. And
Even
that's
if
about the only way I would do
In
it.
just a few moments,
Even if I didn't have to, I would do it.
spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated. This station was designed for turning only.
Turning only. Going into the turn station here. Gonna give you another view of this. Here's the turn station. Whoa, ho, 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 ho.
Randall, why are you looking at me? I hate you, Randall.
Oh.
Randall is always in my nightmares. Why is Randall always in my dreams?
He's talking about Randall.
Yeah, I know it. I know it.
Randall
He
always
is kind of creepy though, huh?
Yeah, Randall always appears in my dreams, and I always have to fight him in my dreams.
That's not good.
He's creepy.
He is creepy. Here we go. All right. Epcot. Here we come.
Oh, I just spotted a kookaburra and Maui.
Coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and natural mountains to lively entertainment just off the shores of
speaking of
Crescent Lake.
kookaburras,
This charming seaside
we
resort
had the
relives
kookaburra
the
float
golden era
yesterday.
of Atlantic Beach
Yeah,
Town
tell 'em how
and
was
turn
it?
of the century amusement
It was
park.
like coconut pineapple juice. It was
Oh.
good.
Really good. With what on top? What was the kookaburra made of?
The kookaburra was made of. It was a cake pop, and it was made of straight top chocolate.
And it was what? Was it yummy?
Yeah.
What do you give it? A thumbs up?
I give it a. I'd give it 8.5 out of 10.
Oh
If you
my
are
gosh.
planning to visit
That's
World
pretty good
Showcase
for mine.
today, now might be a good time to
You know, he
practice your
gave the
hola, ni hao,
he
and
gave the
Pizza.
when you arrive at each nation's
Pizza.
no, I was gonna say that
we'll be waiting to greet you in their
Thunder
native
Mountain. He only gave
language.
Thunder Mountain 2.5.
A truly international exchange.
I don't know. I like Thunder Mountain, but I said it 2.5.
I mean, I like Thunder Mountain too.
Yeah. It's fun, huh? Yeah.
Ladies
Would you
and
recommend
gentlemen,
riding
we are
Thunder
now
Mountain?
arriving at Epcot.
Yeah.
This concludes your journey.
Here we go.
aboard the
There's
Disney
there. I don't know if you can see out
All
there. This is the
passengers
new
must disembark at the
Ratatouille
station.
ride that has been built
Return
here
service is
in
available.
the back,
Thank
right
you.
here. This is
We
the
hope
new
you
building
enjoy
underneath
the
us.
most
This is
magical ride
Ratatouille.
on Earth.
Yes, it has been
That's
built.
what it says.
I don't think it's open yet, but it's coming soon. Or is it? Oh, wait a minute. It might be open now.
Please
I don't
remain
know.
seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin,
have to check and
please
see.
supervise traffic through the
I don't know.
and watch your steps.
This is not open.
For flying
And we have reservations.
The Rose and Crown. This is really, I really like riding these Skyliner. We'll be back with you here in a little bit. There. There we go. All right. Coming out. Hey. Thank you so much. That was the Skyliner going to Epcot here. We're coming into Epcot right now. And we're gonna check and see if Ratatouille's open.